Okay, what I mean, do we now have our master page like that? You get it, eh? So we are going to do something which is very simple. Hmm? Go to your Solution Explorer. Are you there? Hey, you're very far from the class. There's a table here, here, there, there. So we are going to copy this master page, this main master page, and copy it in all these folders. Folders of users, not every folder. Get the point? Some people are not settled. How? We come here, right click, and copy. You right click here like this on the master page, main master page, and copy. Then start with AR. You paste. Right click, paste. Come to Assistant AR. Right click and paste. Come to D. Right click and paste. Deputy VC, paste. ERP Manager, paste. HOD, paste. Lecturer, paste. Student, paste. VC, paste. That is finished. Eh? Wee, man, copying, just copying. Right click here, copy. What? Eh? Solution Explorer. Now you should start knowing where to get what. If I say master page, where to copy master page, you come to Solution Explorer. You right click on main master page, you copy, then you start pasting. You get it, eh? You paste. Then after pasting all, you start renaming. Eh? Now, if you come to AR, you right click on this master page, you come to rename. But you see, the system even selects for you what to rename. It leaves for you the dot master, this extension. So we're going to say AR master page. It should be one word. Don't leave any space, otherwise it will refuse. So I can assistant AR MP. I can even use MP, meaning master page. I come to Dean MP, Deputy VC, MP, ERP, ERP, MP. I come to HOD. I right click, HOD, MP, lecturer. I right click, lecturer, MP, students, student MP, then vice chancellor, VC, MP. Are we there? Are we through? So next, now we are going to open each master page. So we're going to start by AR. First, close this one now. Have you seen? You close the main master page. There. Are we there? Now let's go to AR. Remember, see, you double click on AR master page. It brings this, then you go to designer. You get it, eh? What are we changing? We are starting with the heading, eh? Eh? Here, the main panel, eh? Come to it, go to designer on the arrow. Go to designer and look for text. So you call it academic registrar. Then you click OK. You save. It now brings us to this. Have you seen? You are now seeing? Yes, I'm recording. But you need to understand, if you think you are going to follow through, proceed. I can extend. Then, so the academic registrar, we now come to the nav bar. You get it, eh? Go to the nav bar academic registrar. Come to design. When you come to designer, you open it by clicking on this arrow. So, what does the academic registrar do in a system? We wrote how many items? 17. So we are going to put them there. But we put them under groups. You get it, eh? First of all, the academic registrar has the following things. Students. You get it, eh? Students can come under main panel. You click on main panel. The next thing the academic registrar can do is the courses. You get it, eh? So you click on this main panel, you come to the first plus, you add another group. Huh? Then you come and call it programs. Or you change it, you call it study center. Under study center, you right click. Are we moving? Huh? Mm. There's nothing. Yes. Okay. Now, so let's start refreshing. Yes. Actually, probably first. Thanks. Okay. Give us what we're doing. Uh-huh. Are we there? Members, are we here? You've added another group, eh? Have you added? Now, under the study center, you right click and add item. So the first item under study center is programs. You get it, eh? Then you add another item, you call it course units. Eh? You get it, eh? Another thing you add under that is lecturers. What else? We now we create another group called the timetable. You see how we are now arranging our things, eh? So you click on study center, you add another group. You call it timetable. So you add items under timetable. You start with lecture, time. Even if he doesn't create, but he should view. You put all the pages that either he's going to create or he's going to view. You get it, eh? We are following our thing, our list. What else? Under timetable. Exam. Oh, just say exams. You get it, eh? Then here, lectures. Then you add another one is what? Tests. You get it, eh? Then add another group. You can just click outside here. Eh? Then you right click, add group. There are very many ways you can add. The other, we are now calling it results. Results center. Under results center, you start with coursework. What else? Tests. Then finals. These are how many? These are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remaining 7. You get it, eh? What else? You read for me. What have we not added? Huh? Eh? Printing lists, eh? That one can come under students. What have you added? Eh? Course unit is there. Is here. What have you added? Okay. So we can add it under results. You get it? Eh? Or we put it under graduation. So you can create another group called graduation. So you right click here, another group you call it graduation. Under graduation, the first item is the list. You get it, eh? Are you following? Then transcripts. Then what else? Provision, eh? We can add it here, no problem. Provision. That should come. If you want to push this thing up, you click on it, you come to this arrow, you push it up. It comes under lists, after lists. Anything we have missed? Huh? Yes, disciplinary. That one comes under what? Under study center. Huh? We can add. Is that on the spelling? Then you click OK. Anything we have missed? So if I click OK, have you seen how it looks like? Since I selected auto collapse, now the other things are hidden. You get it, eh? If I go and remove auto collapse, you'll see how it will behave. If I remove it, hey, it will shows you the other side, eh? Okay. So can you do it for the other master? Can you do for assistant AR? Assistant AR, we said we do what? You double click it, then you come to design. That one we said we are giving what? Eh? We come to designer. I think you know how to do it. Come to designer. We are giving what? Lists, eh? Graduation, eh? What is it doing under graduation? Lists. Add. What else? Eh? Transcripts. Testimony. What else? This one also giving this one timetable, right? What are we giving him? Assigning courses, eh? So we add another group. Let me hope you're adding the groups. Hmm? We call it what? Can call it class management. Under class management, we start with what? Programs. After programs, course units. Then we can even add here disciplinary. What else? Timeline. That is max, eh? Okay. Add another group. We call it max center. That is now coursework. Because you have to close the system, eh? When it is examination time, no coursework should be submitted. That's still a timeline. Some of these things can be processes. They may not be tables or pages. You get the point? Uh-huh. Tests. Then the other one is in final. Then you click OK. So you see, you now also have that for Assistant AR. If you want to see what you're doing, huh? Members, if you want to see what you're doing, you come to Solution Explorer, come to AR, add one page. Yeah? Add one. You call it a web form. You right click, add a new item, look for what is called web form. And the first web form we are adding is students. Then come here, select master page. Down here, have you seen? Then you click add. It takes you to then you select AR, select master page, click OK. When you click OK, you add this, you go to design. Now you see, it brings, have you seen? It's showing me that I cannot do anything here because I have just linked a web form to already designed master page. Now, if I come to debug, I start without debugging. For it to run in the browser, you are going to see when it is running, it passes us to build directory to see whether there is any error. Have you seen? So if I can open my pages here, you have seen? Are we together? Hey, so this is my academic registrar. So if I click on lists, it should bring me to lists. If I click on provision, it takes me to provision. If I come to results, I click on coursework, it should bring me to coursework. You get it, eh? But you see, my background is only selecting only academic registrar. Meaning, I come back to my AR master page. There is a problem with my, so I come to back color here, not item color. I just go to back color and I select blue. This first one here, I click OK. Then I save. So if I come and refresh, yeah, you've now seen it. And you see, my thing is that you see the feature when we're working on that column where we added the nav bar. You remember, we first selected it, then we went to style and selected vertical alignment to top. You remember? Eh? So that nav bar can be on top, even if you have more data. For example, here, just assuming you see, it remains stuck on the top. Eh? Even if I have data down, even if I scroll, you get it, eh? I move with it. Eh? That's why you see this is a bit. So, do you want to see what you've done? Eh? Eh? Okay, come here. Come to now for example, you have done assistant AR, you get it, eh? Come to assistant AR, right click in the folder, right click the folder. Otherwise, it may be outside. Right click. Are you there? Huh? Are you there? Are you there? Where are you? Oh, you're for your ahead. Eh. Behind where? Yes, say I'm here. Where? You are still renaming. Eh. What has refused to work? If your ASPX has refused to work, uninstall that DevExpress and install version 16. It's not working. You're pushing. Are we there? Those ones who are there? You right click. We want to see this master page of ours of Assistant AR. We want to see it working. Eh? You right click on Assistant AR. Since it has a student, you can create because it also has a timetable. You can create. Right click, come to add. Are we there? When you click on add, come to add a new item. Are we there? When you click on add a new item, it brings you the top up. Are we there? Then you select web form. Are you there? Then come here and rename it. Don't remove the .aspx. We're only removing the default. So I'm calling it lecture TT, meaning lecture timetable. Are you moving? Then you come and select, you check here. By default, it's like this. Then you check, you tick it. Then you click add. When you click add, it's going to take you to select which master page are you. Then you come to assistant AR because you're putting it there. Then you select the master page. Then you click OK. When you click OK, it comes like that. Then you come to designer. Are you there? When it comes to designer, it opens like that. You see here, it's only here that where you can type. You get it, eh? Assistant AR's lecture time table. Then you save. When you come to debug, then go to start without debugging. It's going to first check if there are some errors. Then it takes, you see even here, up here, have you seen? It even shows you the what? The extension. It is in the folder assistant AR. And the web form is called lecture tt.aspx. Have you seen? It even brings you here. Assistant AR's lecture timetable. Then you can check. You see? AR, we gave him students, lists, graduation, certificates, testimonials, class management, programs, course units, disciplinary, under marks, center, coursework, tests, and finals. So, you see even here, this heading, we have not renamed it, so we come here, we come to AR, Assistant AR master page, we come here, we go to properties, back color. You change it to blue. You can double click it. Then you go to design and you look for text. You call it assistant AR main one. Click OK. Then you save. If you save and you refresh here, okay. Now, can we go back to where we were? Here. Have you created for assistant AR? Create for student. How? You go here, open student, you create. You create for dean, create for deputy vice chancellor, create. And that will mark the end. The next thing would be creating the web forms for each item on the navigation bar. But now we are going to pause there for today. Okay, so